Water is life. The people of Nuapada district realizes the true meaning of this statement. Nuapada always falls a prey to drought. Excepting the kharif crops of rainy season, other rabi crops are next to impossible here. After harvesting paddy, the small poor farmers and the landless farmers sit idly without earning any money. The so-called labor brokers take advantage of this situation. These brokers prepare their road map much before the situation occurs. They explain to them in many ways and instigate them to go outside and earn some good deal of money by doing some work. The brokers roam from village to village to gather these poor laborers, give them some advance money and keep them under their control. Just after the harvest of kharif crops, these landless poor laborers who are under the control of these brokers go outside of the state as bonded laborers. In this case, when some brokers become rich, these laborers toil hard to earn a little amount and manage to run their livelihood. Amongst these bonded laborers, the females are being physically abused and the male laborers have to do work of the master even after getting scolded and beaten badly. The children used to leave schools and abandon their studies. Now, it is time to provide some engagements to these landless bonded laborers in their own native place. Time has come to bring some changes in this drought victim Nuapada. Now the time has come to check the wastewater of nalas and rivers, utilize it for cultivation throughout the year, and provide some earnings to the people of Nuapada. Time has come to utilize the National Adaptation Fund for climate change properly. For this, the Nuapada collector is trying in an unique way.
ଏହି କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେବା ଦ୍ୱାରା ଆମର ଏଇ 8ଟି ଗାଁରେ ଯେଉଁଠି ସିଜନାଲ ମାଇଗ୍ରେସନ୍ ବହୁତ ଅଧିକା ଥିଲା ଆଶା କରୁଛୁ ସେମାନେ ଏ ବର୍ଷ ଆଉ ମାଇଗ୍ରେସନ୍ରେ ଯିବେ ନାହିଁ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସ୍ ମାଇଗ୍ରେସନ୍ କମିବ ସେମାନେ ଏଇଠି ହିଁ ସଫିସିଏଣ୍ଟ କାମ କରିବାର ସୁବିଧା ପାଇବେ ତେଣୁ ଆମର ଏହି NFCC ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟର ମୂଳ ଉଦ୍ଦେଶ୍ୟ ହେଲା ଜଳବାୟୁ ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନ ପରିପ୍ରେକ୍ଷୀରେ ଯେମିତି ଆମର ଚାଷୀ ଭାଇମାନେ ଏବଂ ଏହି ଆଞ୍ଚଳିକ ଲୋକମାନେ ଯେମିତି ତାଙ୍କର ଜୀବିକାରେ କ୍ଷତି ନ ହେଉ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆମେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚରାଲ ଇନଫ୍ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚରାଲ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭେନସନ୍ ସହିତ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ହୋଲ୍ଡିଂ ଏବଂ ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ଆମେ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁଅଛୁ।
Through NABARD and Minor Irrigation Division Khariyar and by utilizing the National Climate Change Fund, steps are being taken to make the projects successful.
ନୂଆପଡ଼ା ହେଉଛି ଆମର ଦେଶରେ ପ୍ରଥମ ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ଯେଉଁଟା NFCC ଫଣ୍ଡରେ ସ୍ୟାଙ୍କସନ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା ଆଉ ଆମେ ଆଶା କରୁଛୁ ଏ ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ୍ ହେଲା ବେଳକୁ ଏକ ଅଞ୍ଚଳରେ ଯେଉଁ ମରୁଡ଼ିପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଯେଉଁ ଲୋକ ହଇରାଣ ହେଉଥିଲେ ମରୁଡ଼ି ଦ୍ୱାରା ସେଠୁ ବହୁତ ପରିମାଣରେ ସେଠୁ ମୁକ୍ତି ପାଇବେ।
Different projects of NAFCC are being conceptualized taking into consideration 8 villages, namely Budhipali, Jangula, Palsavadar, Parkod, Balda, Bhaisapal, Bhusudi and Amladar. River Kharkhara is flowing through these 8 villages of Nuapada block. This river is flooded in rainy season and becomes dry in other seasons. As a result, this river is not worthy enough for the people of this area. Minor Irrigation Division Khariyar plans to check the flowing water of this river by check dam and to facilitate irrigation. The people who are going to be rehabilitated of the concerned 8 villages are influenced through Gram Sabha to earn money throughout the year through cultivation in their own native place. They are explained that if the water problem is solved, then they can earn money by doing cultivation and they need not go outside the state as bonded laborers. In the meantime, 3 check dams are being constructed on the Kharkhara River by the Minor Irrigation Division, Khariyar. Out of them, the first check dam is being constructed in Budhipalli village, the second one is in Amli Dadar village, and the third one is in Parkod village. Due to the construction of 3 series check dams, a possibility is created to store a huge water. The Horticulture Department, Agriculture Department, Department of Fisheries and Animal Husbandry Department of the district, along with Livelihood Mission, Krushi Vigyan Kendra are involved to utilize the National Climate Change Fund. Out of them, the role of KVK is vital.
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଧାନ ଚାଷ ସରିଯାଇଥାଏ ସେମାନେ ଦାଦନ ଖଟିବାକୁ ବାହାର ଜାଗାକୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତି ତେଣୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଏଇସବୁ ଜିନିଷରୁ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କେତେ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ଦେଇଥାଉ ଧନ୍ଦାମୂଳକ ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ଯେପରିକି ଆମର ଛତୁ ଚାଷ ହେଉ କୁକୁଡ଼ା ଚାଷ ହେଉ ବତକ ଚାଷ ହେଉ ସେଥିଲାଗି ଆମର କୃଷି ବିଜ୍ଞାନ କେନ୍ଦ୍ରରେ 20ଟି ଡେମନଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ୍ ୟୁନିଟ୍ ଅଛି ଯାହାଦ୍ୱାରା କି ଚାଷୀ ଭାଇମାନେ କି ଦାଦନ ଖଟିବାକୁ ଯାଉଥିବା ସେ ଲୋକମାନେ ଅନୁପ୍ରାଣିତ ହୋଇକି ଏଇସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ନିଜ ପରିଶ୍ରମ କରି ନିଜେ 2 ପଇସା ରୋଜଗାର କରିବେ ଏବଂ ଦାଦନ ଖଟିବାକୁ ଆଉ ଯିବେନି.
The small, poor and landless farmers are given various trainings so that their self-confidence will be strengthened. The trained farmers show keen interest for cultivation. Secondly, the role of agriculture department is incomparable.
आमे एनएफसीसी तरफरु आमे ताको से चाषी मानक नहीं आमे ताको भितर अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करैलु. एनएफसीसी तरफरु जो पानी जे व्यवस्था कराइछि जो पानी अछि सेही पानी रो सदुपयोग करी आपण माने कैश क्रॉप करि परिबे एवं से माने आम कथा को स्वीकार करी से माने से चाष आरंभ कले.
After receiving all types of assistance from the agriculture department, the farmers get involved in farming.
आगे जेन वर्षा मासे पानी आसुथिला पलै जाउथिला आमे गोटे फसल करि पारुथिलु वर्षा मासर खरीफ फसल एबे काना चेक डैम हेला तो इन वर्षा मासर पानी जे रहबा तारे हमर गांव रो सबु किसान माने 300 एकड़ रे एबे धान बुइछन.
Thirdly, all the facilities are given by the horticulture department to the interested farmers. The distribution of seeds and agricultural equipments by the horticulture department make the horticulture easy to the farmers.
प्रथम है से माने जो पारंपरिक चाष करुले धान चाष कि बिरी मुग कोलथ ये कर दौले ताकू आम ये करी क्रॉप डाइवर्सिफिकेशन बा क्रॉप टाकू केमिति विभिन्न प्रकार भाव में मेलई देबा जोटा खूब कम दिन भितर से माने अंगे निभे पारे निजे माने खाद्य रूप में ग्रहण करें स्वास्थ्य उन्नति आनीपारे पिला स्वास्थ्य उन्नति परिवार 2 पैसा कमे पाइब. जलसेचन सुविधा बादे से आमको देवे जो आम भैल्यू आडिशन जो जिनटा से उत्पादन करमती भैल्यू बा मूल्ययुक्त कर प्रसारण करूँ जहाँ उत्पादन करेंगे अभाव बिक्री रही से विषय जत्न.
The fishery department of the district sets another example.
हमरो इंडिविजुअल बेनिफिशियरी और एसएसजी मानकु हमरो ताको से माने केमते वैज्ञानिक प्रणाली रे माछ चाष करिवे तार व्यवस्था करा जायछि. उत्तम प्रणाली रे चाष करी करी से माने हमरो अति कम रे जेमते एकर को किछि न हले भी 10 क्विंटल माछ पाइबार जो लक्ष्य अछि ताको से माने पूर्ण करि परिबे.
Doing fishery either individually or unitedly, the farmers are definitely earning good profit. The Animal Husbandry Department is trying constantly to make the landless farmers earn good money by animal farming.
our NFC योजना रे हमें तेल छेली चाषी को सिलेक्शन करूँ अणानबे कुकुड़ा चाषी और 40 जन बतक चाषी को सिलेक्ट करूँ आम निर्दिष्ट विषय रे ट्रेनिंग दौचु या द्वारा सेमानकर आर्थिक उन्नति हो।
Above all, the role of livelihood mission is most important. This has shown a way to the landless laborers to become self-sufficient for their lives and livelihoods.
यही 2 मास आम न्यूट्रिशन गार्डन को आम प्रत्येक घर आम पाखापाखि 1200 घर आम कवर करूँ एनएफसीसी एरिया।
Today, the villagers of 8 villages of Nuapada, coming under National Adaptation Fund for Climate Change project, have become self-dependent, living in their own native places and selling their agricultural produces in the nearby markets. They are earning good amount of money.
तरफ से हमारे पाए हैं तो अभी पटकोड़ बाजार बेचता हूँ, बीरोमाल बाजार बेचता हूँ, खड़िया रोड लेता हूँ, मंडी इस तरफ से जगह जगह बाजार कुछ भी बाजार लेता हूँ, 2-4 बाजार भी करता हूँ, मैं मंडी भी लेके चल देता हूँ।
Today, these people don't have the grief of working as bonded laborers, nor they have the beastly torture of the brokers. Now they are free, self-dependent, and leading their lives happily with the dignity of self-respect. National Adaptation Fund for Climate Change project has become the harbinger of joy in their lives.